Hello students, today I am doing question number 1 of exercise 2.4. Now in this question we have find 12 divided by 3 by 4. Now here we will have to divide. Now there is certain rule for doing division of fraction. Here first number will remain same, which is 12. Now divide will change to multiply sign, and the next fraction will be just, you will have to just write the reciprocal of this, means denominator will be the numerator and numerator will become the denominator. So 4 will go up and 3 will come down. Now here no digit is present, so we can consider as 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So what we have got, if you multiply the numerator, 4 fours are 16, and if you multiply the denominator, then 1 ones are 1. So we have got 16 by 1 means 16. So answer is 16. Now in the second part we have 14 divided by 5 by 6. Again always remember first number will remain same, okay, and divide sign will be changed to multiply sign, and the fraction which is after the division sign will be just converted into the reciprocal form. So 6 will go up and 5 will come down, and here no digit is present, so we will have to consider as 1. Now see, diagonally we cannot cut this 5 and 14, so we will have to just multiply the numerator. So 14 fours are 14, 6 are 84, and here 5 ones are 5. Now 84 divided by 5 is, see, when you will divide this, 5 ones are 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, now 4 will come down, so 5 6 are 30. So here is 16 4 by 5. So that means you have to just you have to show this division, okay. 16 4 by 5 is the answer of the second part. Now coming to third part, we have 8 divided by 7 by 3. Again 8 will remain same, divide sign will be converted to multiply sign, and 7 by 3 will be just you will have to write the inverse of this, means 3 will go up and 7 will come down. Here we will have to consider as 1. Now again 7 and 8 we cannot cut by one single digit, so we will have to just multiply the denominator and numerator. So 3 8s are 24 and 7 ones are 7. Now if you since this is an improper fraction, we will have to convert it into mixed. So 7 3s are 21. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 by 7. This is the answer of the third part. Okay. Now the fourth part we have 4 divided by 8 by 3. Again 4 will remain same, divide sign will be multiplication sign, and then 3 will go up and 8 will come down. We will have to just write the reciprocal, and since here is no digit, we will have to consider as 1. Now these 4 and 8 comes in 4's table. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now if cancellation is over, now we will just multiply the numerator and denominator to get the answer. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now since this is an improper fraction, we will have to convert it into mixed. So 2 ones are 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. So answer is 1 1 by 2. Okay. Now in the next part we have 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. Now here again 3 and this division sign will remain same. We'll just convert this mixed fraction to improper. So here it will be 3 into 2 is 6, and then plus 1 is 7 by 3. Now 3 will remain same, divide sign will be converted to multiply sign, and 7 by 3 will be the reciprocal, so it will be 3 by 7, and here we will consider as 1. Now again this 3 and 7 we cannot cut, we'll just multiply the numerator. So 3 3s are 9, and if you multiply the denominator, 7 ones are 7. So we have got 7 ones are 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So answer is 1 2 by 7. Okay. Now in the next part we have pi divided by 3 4 by 7. Okay, again 5 and this division sign will remain same. We'll just convert the mixed fraction to improper. So 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 by 7. Now we will change the division sign into multiply sign, and this 7 will go up. We'll just write the reciprocal. So 7 will go up, denominator will be the numerator, and numerator will be the denominator. So it will be 25 by 7 will be 7 by 25, and here we will consider as 1. Now 5 and 25 both comes in 5's table. So 5 ones are 5, 5 25's are 5 5's are 25. So if you multiply the numerator, we have 7 multiplied by 1 is 7, and if you multiply the denominator, then 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So answer is 5 ones are 5. So it will be 7 minus 5 is 2. So answer is 1 2 by 5. Okay. So this was the last part of question number 1. Okay. Thank you, students.